because I kind of take, anyone that comes to these classes, I kind of look at y'all different, right? I kind of like, oh, she's serious. When people invest in their businesses, or I see you showing up on Clubhouse like all the time, they the people, you take them serious. And that's the same thing I was telling you, like as far as mentors seek out prospects and proteges, because at the end of the day, that's what we do. We feed off of pouring into others. But I don't like wasting my time. I don't. I'd rather cut a check or get beat out some money before getting beat out my time. That'll send me through the roof. I don't know why. I don't know why, but it do. It's very valuable, and I think I ain't realized it. I spent 38 years of my life, baby, focusing on other people. This sector, this mine. And I'm going to live it according to what I want to do. And whoever I want to be connected to, or whatever. And if you don't fit, you must have quit. Say, come on, guys. So get up, stretch around, because we're ready to move some tables, and we're ready to bring out some kits. Any last questions? I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients through premium draping. So if you are new to the platform, I want to know your biggest draping questions. So post it in the comments below, and guess what? I may have a solution specifically for you.